Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And the latest news is that ICI has announced its notification, and the notification is as follows. During last few days, we have received mixed expressions of opinion, views and requests from students, both relating to holding exam as per the schedule issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India commencing from 29 July 2020 or not holding in the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation, that is the Twitter fight. Some students expressed concerns and anxiety on likelihood on COVID availability of examination centers, student center in contamination zone, social distancing and sanitization, availability of transport and accommodation facility, loss of examination fee already paid, and carry forward of examination in case the student is not able to appear in July 2020 examination. However, a large number of students showed their strong desire to appear in the examination as per the announced schedule. ICI is committed to serve even if one student wish to appear in examination scheduled from 29 July 2020. Still, considering the prevailing COVID-19 situation and in the interest of mitigating the anxiety and hardship of students, it has been decided to provide an opt-out option to the students. The students who have already submitted online application for May 20 examination cycle shall be allowed to opt out and carry forward the can candidature to next examination, that is November 2020 examination cycle. मतलब जो स्टूडेंट्स ऑप्ट आउट करना चाहते हैं उन्हें नवंबर 20 में एग्जाम देना अलाउड किया जाएगा विथ कैरी फॉरवर्ड ऑफ देयर फीस एग्जामिनेशन exemptions, and the students will be required to apply afresh for November 2020 examination cycle at relevant time. His her examination fee will be adjusted and different fees if any will only be charged in case a student has opted only one group in May 20 exam and wish to apply for two groups in both groups in November 2020 examination. The remaining students who choose to opt out and wish to appear not to opt out and wish to appear for the exam commencing from 29 July, the institute is making all the required and necessary arrangements for smooth and conduct of examination across the globes, including strict adherence to precautions measures related to COVID area, thermal screening, etc. will be as per the guidelines of as per the guidelines of the government. However, the situation of COVID will be analyzed by ICI in first week of July and the status will be intimated to the students who have not opted out. मतलब अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ऑप्ट आउट नहीं किया है तो उसे इंस्टीट्यूट बताएगी कि एग्जामिनेशन फर्दर 29 जुलाई को पॉसिबल है या नहीं है. इन केस द एग्जामिनेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल in any of the center or in a particular center, the situation will be intimated to the students and the students will be accommodated in November 2020 examination cycle. Further, the student seeking change of examination center, मतलब examination center change करने की facility भी 17 जून 2020 से 20 जून 2020 तक available होगी. Also, procedure for availing out opt-out facility is given here. Submit a declaration online available at this site and on from 17 June 2020, that is Wednesday 11 a.m. onwards to 20th June 2020 Saturday till 11:59 p.m. On submitting the declaration, candidature for a student for May 20 examination cycle will be cancelled and she will be shifted to the next examination cycle, that is November or December, whenever the exam will happen. Kindly note, this is important. Kindly note that once the option to opt out is taken, she will be it will be treated as final and no request for its change will be entertained under any circumstances. The candidates are advised to note the above and stay in touch with the website of the institute, that is www.ici.org. So friends, this is a general suggestion to everyone. Please, you should talk with your parents and decide on the same. Thank you. If you have liked the video, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel.